How to enable two-step verification in YouTube channel. First, you're going to head over to your YouTube studio and then you're going to tap on the Earn tab. Now from the Earn tab, you're just going to scroll down until you see this Next Steps section. What you're going to do is you're just going to tap on the two-step verification right here. From there, you're just going to sign in. Once you're signed in, you're just going to complete the two-step verification. You're just going to tap yes on another device, or you can also click on try another way if it doesn't work on you. Now once you have tapped on yes, it will now take you to the two-step verification page where your account will be protected with two-step verification. Now, what you can do for two-step verification is you can add passkeys and security keys if that works for you. You can add Google Prompt, you can add an authenticator, you can add your phone number, and then you can also add backup codes. Now, in order for you to do that, you're just gonna have to set up all of these, or you can just choose one of them. That's it. If this video interested you, I have linked the product link down below.